Hi guys, welcome back for step 2 and step 3 of US, Canada, and Europe school admission process. I call this Do It Yourself US, Canada, and Europe school admission process. When I talk about step 1, I mentioned 8 steps to get into graduate and undergraduate schools abroad. Step 1 is research. And now we're going to be looking at step 2 and step 3 together. The reason for this combination is because in the process of completing step 2, you're actually completing step 3. And in the process of completing step 3, you are completing step 2. So that is why we need to combine these 2 steps together. All right, so let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this information to your loved ones that may need this information the most. Now, the step 1 is research. We talked about that in the first video. If you have not watched that, then please go to the channel or check the link in the description for step 1. All right, now step 2 is school transcript, and step 3 is result evaluation. All right, so your school transcript, in case you don't know, is a comprehensive record of your academic performance throughout your education, which includes details such as courses taken, grades received, and cumulative GPA. Universities and colleges abroad often require transcripts as part of the application process to assess your academic qualifications. All right, so how do you get your transcript and where do you get your transcript from? You need to go back to your school for graduate students. You go back to your school to get your transcripts. Sometimes you need to get it yourself before the evaluation. Sometimes you need to make a request for the school to send it to the evaluation service provider, which I'm going to talk about in a few. Okay, but for undergraduate programs, it might not be transcript in this case. It might be your high school results. So you will need to evaluate your high school results to America standard or any country where the school is located. So you need to get your school results, not the transcript. We can also call it transcript because it shows the grade for your high school results. So it's also a transcript, or you call it your school result. Whichever way you want to call it is fine. So now, since we understand what is transcript, school transcript, now let's talk about evaluation. Result evaluation is the process of converting your academic credentials or your school results to US standard, Canada standard, European standard, or any country whatsoever in which your school, the school of your choice or the school you are applying to is located. All right, so then how do you go about it? That's what we want to talk about now. All right, don't forget to please subscribe to this channel, share this information on all your social media platforms for other people to benefit from it. Now, let's jump into it. There are a couple of result evaluation service provider. Number one of them, which is the most popular to the best of my knowledge, is called WES, W-E-S. That is World Education Services. Word as in W-O-R-L-D Education Services. There's another one called ECE, that is Educational Credential Evaluators. And there are a couple of them, a lot of them, hundreds of them. So you can make Google your boyfriend, check them. Sometimes the school you're applying to might request a specific result evaluation provider, meaning you don't have the option to choose from all these, service providers available. You have to go by the one the school wants. Now, now that you understand what that means, so why do you want to, evaluate your results? All right. The reason is because your result has to be in the standard of that country in which the school is located. Let's talk, say, for example, you're coming from Africa country, Nigeria or Ghana or Cameroon, or you're coming from Asia country, you're coming from India, or you're coming from China, anywhere, or South America, anywhere you're coming from. The way your result is being graded is different from the way it's being graded in America, in the United States, or in Canada or in Europe. So that is why it has to be converted to their standard for them to be able to, assess and verify your academic credentials to ensure that they meet the standard of the institution you are applying to. So it helps university and colleges to understand the equivalency, all right, of your qualifications from your home country. So basically, that is what result evaluation is all about. So then how do you do it? All right. The best bet, the best thing to do is to go to the website of this provider you choose, and get the process on their website, understand how they want you to send your result, your transcripts to them. All right. I mentioned earlier that some schools allows you to bring or to present your transcript by yourself. Why? I mean the service provider, the evaluation provider, service provider allows you to bring your school transcript yourself. Why some don't? They want you to request your school to forward it to them. All right. That is for, confidential and for security reasons. They just want to be sure that, it is genuine when it's they believe it's more genuine when it's coming directly from school. So I'm going to show you quickly it's school, what is it called? A portal for the most, popular result evaluation provider, which is WES. All right, and see how the process looks like on their website. Then from there, you can have a better understanding of what to do when you visit any of those result evaluations providers website. Okay, let's take a look at this together. This is captured from WES portal, their website. All right. So for example, people coming from African countries for undergraduates, they need to evaluate their high school results, right? So that school result, most of the time, the most popular high school result for, I say secondary school result for African countries is called WAEC and NECO, all right? So if you look at the highlighted part on this screenshot, the bottom one, for results issued by the National Examination Council, the process is there. How you are going to go about it. They want you to go to their websites and request for it. Then if you look at the top highlighted one, that talks about WAEC. All right. Same thing goes for graduate student. If you want to evaluate your college result, your university result transcript, you need to check this website, this same website, for the process on how to send the transcripts to them so that they can evaluate it. And also on their website, you're going to see the fee. It's not a free service. You need to know that. You're going to see what they charge, the fee they charge for that service. All right. And how to forward the converted transcript to your institution, to the university you're applying to. All right. So everything is available on their website. For security reasons, this is just for informational purpose. I'm not in any way affiliated with WEST or ECE or any other evaluators. So do your due diligence and do more researches. Make sure you understand what the school wants, the evaluator the school wants. Don't just use anyone. But if the school does not specify, then I will personally recommend WEST because they are mostly accepted in any schools. So having said that, that brings us to the end of step 2 and step 3 of do it yourself US, Canada, and Europe school admission process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you in step 4. Thank you.